Hi, I'm Dr. Cynthia Clark. I'm an acupuncturist and an applied clinical nutritionist, and I'm the president of Longevity Wellness, and I live in Sarasota, Florida. And I'd like to tell you about a colleague of mine who is also a good friend and also lives in Sarasota, Florida, although she lives a little bit further west. Natalia Garcia is a registered dietitian. She is an incredibly hard worker. She is an expert in her field as a dietitian, and she's also an expert in tennis. In fact, she's represented Mexico in the tennis World Cup. She has her own dietitian consulting business, and she's trilingual, and she is a beautiful soul that really cares about helping people. She lives frugally, but in a very beautiful place that she saved up for and loves, 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 loves. And when Hurricane Milton came through, it not only flooded her space, but it flooded it with sewage, so that she lost every single thing that she owns, including her electronics. So I'm asking for your help in assisting her in getting her a good start. She is a great steward of every penny that you put towards her way, and she's very, very, very grateful. And I'd like to ask for your assistance in helping her to rebuild her life so that she has a new place that she can call home, that's healthy and that helps her serve her clients best. Thank you so much for your time and attention. We're very, very grateful.